Before we begin with the analysis, if you are new to trading or charts, please Google the terms you do not understand in this video. Once you learn about them and watch analysis from guys like me who nail charts more often than most analysts out there, you can adapt these techniques with other techniques you have learned to form your own trading style and strategy. If you are struggling to win trades and make money, I suggest trying my free RSI divergence strategy indicator. It is on TradingView, and it's free to use forever. It can be used on Bitcoin or altcoins, and on the right time frame it is pretty accurate. Also, sorry about the video being longer than 3 minutes today. On the BTC dominance chart, the channel got invalidated, which is easily done on a low 1-hour time frame chart. A better channel was formed as shown, and once it broke down, alts had their bounce. The next target is the purple line at 57.80. I said last video if Bitcoin does not reclaim the 116,000 level, it will go back to 112,000 level. In doing so, it formed a bullish reversal divergence as shown. Then the large candle that news and media said was from Jerome Powell, but if you had half a brain you would know the news is after what the charts have already forecast. Hence the term show me the charts, and I will tell you the news. Price has now reclaimed the 116,000 level, and a reclaim of the VWAP would confirm a bullish move if the following charts all line up. The USDT chart shows it went up and formed a double top pattern, which coincided with the bearish divergence on RSI from this chart and the bullish reversal divergence on the Bitcoin chart. All this confluence at one spot confirming a reversal. But wait, there is more confluence here. The drop has now been made and currently there is no pattern forming, so we wait. There is no trade here if you missed the bottom. We would like to see it roll over for Bitcoin to confirm its reversal. On the low time frame Binance chart, in the last video I said down at this blue and yellow line level is where a long trade can be taken. 2 orders placed, 1 at each level would have got you in the trade at a great entry point, as seen on chart where it pierced the yellow line and bounced after reclaiming it on lower time frame chart. It then touched the top VWAP line and is now at the lower VWAP line and other support area level as shown. Bitcoin needs to hold this level, or a drop down to support below will happen again. Bitcoin needs to get above the POC pink line to go full bull mode again. On this Bybit chart, the purple lines are all naked POCs. We can see how it touched this one perfectly and bounced. The above naked POC line is where some resistance may come as it lines up with the pink line POC levels on the Binance chart as you can see. The USDT 2-day chart, RSI rejected at the trend line, and on the chart it rejected from the red line level I spoke about in the last video. This chart should eventually touch the blue line, and the pink line is where the Bitcoin top will most likely be. We now want to see it roll over here and drop down further. Same as before, above the red and green line are a disaster for Bitcoin. The 5-day chart from last video played out. When the LMACD cross-down price touches the orange EMA 21 on chart with a 96% accuracy rate. We can see this entire bull run how price holds the blue EMA 8 and once a few candles close below it, price has a very high chance of touching the yellow MA 55. We monitor this so we know when a decent pullback is coming and possibly the end of the bull market. The orange dotted support line is still holding with no multiple candle closures under it yet, which would confirm a large pullback. So as usual, there is a CME gap over the weekend as shown here, where price closed at 117,230, but currently is trading well below this level. Price should hold the 114,000 level as shown on Binance chart, and move up to close this gap on Monday or Tuesday. We then assess if Bitcoin can keep rallying higher if it breaks above resistance levels shown in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and the bell notification.